In this video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem codes in Archero2. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Archero on your mobile phone like you see me do. Now, once that's launched, I want you to click on this icon at the top. And once you click on it, you're going to see where it says user ID. You copy the user ID for your profile, for your account. And once you click on this button next to it, it's going to say copy successful. Now you're going to scroll and go to Google. Now in Google, you're going to type gifts.archero2.com. And once you enter that, you're going to go to the first one that says gift exchange. And once you click on it, it's going to lead you to this page, and you're going to add your user ID here. You're going to add the redemption code which you want to redeem. You're going to add it here, and you're going to add a verification code. And you're going to click on redeem. And just like that, you'll be able to redeem your codes in Archero2. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.